Hello children, in this video we are going to continue exercise 4 under chapter 8, like fraction and unlike fraction. So we are going to learn what is about like fraction and unlike fractions. So sums related to like fraction and that is comparing the like fractions, and ascending order and descending order with the like fractions we are going to see in this video. So first, fractions with the same denominator are called like fractions. So that is the fractions which has the denominators. So when more than one fraction is given, if two fractions or more than two fractions are there, when all the denominators are same, with the numerators are different. So such kind of fractions are called like fractions. So for example, I've written here 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4. So here I have three fractions which has all the denominators are same, 4, 4, 4. But if you see in the numerator, all the three numerators are different. But when you have all the denominators equal, it is said to be like fraction. Okay. So when it comes to unlike fraction, the fractions with the different denominators are called unlike fractions. So when you have the denominators value are different, so that time you will consider that fractions are unlike fractions. So for example, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 2 by 3. So if you see all the denominators, compare the denominators, the values are different. 4, 2, 3. Even the numerators also different. But always to find whether the given fraction is like fraction or unlike fraction, you have to compare the denominator. When you have the given fractions or different denominators, it is said to be unlike fractions. Okay. So hope you have understood what is like fraction and how to find this difference between the like fraction and unlike fraction. So we'll just see how to compare the like fractions. Okay, so the unlike fractions you will learn later. So right now we are going to see how to compare the like fractions. So here some examples I have written. 2 by 5, 3 by 5. So we are going to compare with these two fractions which is greater and which is lesser. So the denominators are same. It is said to be like fraction. So when you have the denominators are same, you can look into the numerator and you can see whether which is greater value. 3 is greater than 2. So you can conclude this 3 by 5 is greater than this 2 by 5. So when you have the denominators are same, by looking into your numerator, the numerator whichever value is greater, that whole fraction is said to be greater. Okay, so be some 7, 7, same. So numerator I am comparing, 6 is greater than 3. So 6 by 7 is greater than this 3 by 7. So here denominators are same. So numerator comparing 9, 1. So 9 is obviously greater than 1. So 9 by 9 is greater than this 1 by 9. Okay. So we'll see how to arrange the like fraction in ascending order and descending order. So here I have written an example, arrange in ascending order. So for this, 4 fractions are given with all the denominators are same. So when you have all the denominators are same value, it is said to be like fraction. So we are going to arrange the like fractions in the ascending order. So for that, like how you compared the two fractions, no, the same manner you are going to compare the numerators. So here in the numerators, in ascending order means always we should go with small to big. So first, compare the numerator. Which numerator has the smallest value? 1. This 1 is smaller when compared to all other three numerators. So the first smallest fraction is 1 by 10, lesser than symbol. Next is smallest. So this is over. So next is smallest is 2. 2 by 10 is smaller than symbol. Next 4 and 8. So 4 is smaller than 8. So 4 by 10 smaller than symbol. Then finally you have the last value 8 by 10. Okay. So it will be very easy to compare and arrange in ascending order and descending order using the like fractions. So one more we'll see with the descending order, arranging in descending order. So here too 4 fractions are given with the same denominators, which is like fraction. So descending order means big to small will go in the order. So with the comparing the numerators, which is the biggest numerator here? 4 is the biggest. 4 by 4 greater than symbol. So after 4, which is greater here? 3. 3 by 4 greater than symbol. So compare the numerator to 1. 2 is greater. 2 by 4 greater than symbol, and the rest is 1. Okay. So hope you have understood. Thank you, children.